In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset your TP-Link Wi-Fi extender. This model is the RE450, but it works with many other models. You will need a toothpick or a SIM eject tool like this one, maybe a needle. Go on the right side, make sure that it's plugged in, and then you see there's a hole for a reset button. You need to stick this inside and make sure it's centered, because if you go at a certain angle, you won't be able to press that button. And we need to press it until the whole control panel over here, the whole lights are lit up. Then you can release it, usually after 3 seconds. Let me demonstrate what I just meant. So, okay, I'm pressing 1, 2, 3. When the light goes off, okay, after being lit up, you can release the button. The power button will blink, and usually after like 10 seconds it will stay lit up. It means that it's ready to be set up with a new device. If you have previously connected your extender to your TP-Link app on your phone, you can also factory reset by going in More, System, Factory Default Restore, and click on Reset. That's just another way on how this can be done. Take your phone, could be Android or iPhone. Okay, go on the Google Play Store or App Store and download the TP-Link Tether. This is the app that will help us set up this Wi-Fi extender. So once you download the app, open it. And if it's the first time you're using this app, you will have to log in a TP-Link account. It's free, so just create one in case you don't have one, and you'll be logged in. So this is the main screen of the app. Press the plus sign on the top right corner. Add range extender. LEDs are solid on, because as you see, it's solid on. Press the connect button, and it's now trying to connect to the Wi-Fi extender. Here we go, it got connected. Almost there, just wait a few more seconds. And it will ask us for a password. Set device password, because we need to create one. Okay, this is not your Wi-Fi password. This is a password that gives you access to your Wi-Fi extender. If you don't see this page and it simply asks you to input the password that already exists for this unit, you simply have to type admin, ADMIN. This is the default password, and then you'll be brought up to this page where you will need to create a new one. So I'll go ahead and create a new password. Then I'll press next. Just have to wait a few seconds. Select your 2.4 gigahertz wireless network, the one that you're using in your house, at your office. Okay, this is mine. And then type the Wi-Fi password of that Wi-Fi network. And then press join. Now select the 5 gigahertz wireless network. Mine has the same name, so I'll go ahead and type the password for this 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. And again, I'll press the join button. Now press next. It will give these networks new names with EXT at the end, so you know that you connect to the extender and not to the original Wi-Fi network. You can change those names by tapping on edit, and you can give these a new name if this is what you prefer. So I simply pressed next, and right now it's setting up the extender. Just wait a few seconds. Next, we're gonna press next, and now it will ask you to connect to the networks. So connect yourself to one of these networks. Right now I'm in my Wi-Fi settings of my phone, and I'll go ahead and tap on this network with EXT at the end and type the password of that network. It should be the same Wi-Fi password you're currently using on the Wi-Fi network. Or if you have changed it, well, type the new password you just changed. Okay, I'll press connect. It's now connected, and I'll go back in the app. And it's now logging into the Wi-Fi extender. And here we go. We are on the main page where you see your device. You see if it's working or not, if it's online or not, how many devices are currently connected to your Wi-Fi extender. And you also have your networks over here. So this is the main network, the one of your wireless router. And over here you have extended network. These are the ones that this extender is currently blasting. And you can change the password over here if you prefer, or even change their names. Overall, this is it. Right now everything works. You can remove this from the wall outlet and place it exactly where you want in your house, where it makes the most sense to extend the Wi-Fi network. If you found my video helpful, please take a moment, subscribe, but also comment down below. Tell me if I can improve something. Tell me if it worked. If you want to get one of these from Amazon, I'll also put a link down below if you don't already have one, or maybe you want to buy multiple. I get a small cut and it helps my channel. See you in the next video. Add this to the reset. If you have previously connected your extender to your TP-Link app on your phone, you can also factory reset by going in More, System, Factory Default Restore, and click on Reset. That's just another way on how this can be done.